Yes, peoples, what's going on? We in Koh Samui, as always, outside the 7-Eleven, sitting down, eating a ham and cheese. See the locals doing this at like 1 AM if the 7-Eleven is a bloody 24-hour. Today we got the drone on us, so we're gonna head over to Na Muang. It's a nice day. We're gonna try and get some good drone shots and see what else today brings us. Alright, let's go straight into the video. Stop waffling. So how long do you think the walk's going to be up there? Hopefully not that long. Well look, there's elephants right over there. You can probably walk them because you see how they got the seats on top of them. I don't remember whether I did it here or whether I did it in Koh Tao, walk the elephants, or Koh Phangan. The whole fucking last time I come it was a blur of a journey, man. Na Muang Waterfall. Na Muang. I never knew it was like this here though, didn't it?
It's lovely.
Huh? It's right there, yeah. Madness. They got the local food cooking up over there, everything. It's going off over these parts, isn't it? It actually smells quite decent. Huh? Smells like proper Barbie. Look how busy it is, isn't it? Okay, no, it's dangerous this, huh? Wow, big Na Muang, you know. You know, I never knew it was this big. Last time we went here, it was all dried up. Look at it now. Crazy. You get up there somewhere, but I just don't know how to get up there. Get some drone shots, hopefully. But yeah, that's for the Na Muang at the bottom. But there is definitely somewhere at the top. I'm not sure if it's this waterfall or if it's another one. But we've got to make it up there. We've got to make it up there. We'll find out through Google or something anyway. Bloody hell. Where'd everybody go? They must have all been on the same excursion trip or something. Elephants and waterfalls for the day, huh? I ain't gonna lie, it's a spot here. Oi. What way is the waterfall, brother? Up that way, yeah? Thank you very much, bro. Motorbike? Yeah. You can drive up there?
Yeah, parking over there.
Oh, okay. How long?
You walk, 20-minute walk.
20 minutes?
Motorbike, 1 minute.
Okay. Alright, cool. We go get the bike. Thank you very much, brothers. Kopun Kap. Oh, well that saved a freaking lot of time. This is Na Muang too. If it wasn't for them two guys, we would have been walking about half an hour just to get to this spot. Fair play to them. Madness, huh? Yeah, I think this is the top of the waterfall. It says dangerous. Must be the top of the bloody waterfall. We're gonna go up there and get a drone shot if we can, and hopefully no one's up there. You're dying. We're right up in it though, peoples. Somewhere over that way, the waterfall. Yeah, as I said, we're gonna be bloody sweating, huh? We've still got some to go. Probably more than what we've already just done.
Do you think it's poisonous?
I'll eat that. I'll eat that, mate. Sun's coming through as well. Oi. After sweating like a cunt. Look at that. That is different, huh? If you're gonna go to any waterfall, then it's Na Muang 2. Don't go to one. One's just full of people. Here you might have to do a little trek, but when you're up here it's worth it. And if you've got a drone, bring one. It's different. That's how they must feel when I'm a celebrity. Get me out of here. Oh shit. We're not just out of the jungle yet, as you can see, peoples. Doing some hiking all the way back down. But to say what, it's easier climbing down than it is climbing up, huh? Can't go too wrong. I think you have to go down this way here, Mira. If I slip, I'm fucked. I'm holding a drone. No, it's alright. How did you like that, Mira? It was wicked. I ain't gonna lie. That was proper worth the hike, innit? Go on, you go first. Some people are still coming up here. By the time they get down, it's gonna be dark. Yeah, this is how I'm rolling with a box, with a towel around it, because it's so fucking hot. The drone's gonna bloody overheat otherwise. But it's good, it's because when you're sweating, you know, and you make your moves again, bloody dying here. But yeah, that's it for the waterfalls. And you know what, I feel so bad for the last video I did, because I was probably getting onto them. It's all because they were dried up. But now, them two waterfalls make a whole load of difference. Just turn like this. It looks alright, but it's raining. Right, peoples, we're back at home, and wow, them waterfalls were way better than last time. If you want to see what the waterfalls look like when they're all dried up, then go check my channel, it's on there. Now, of both of them waterfalls, I'd say Na Muang 2's better. Only because of the view. It takes a while to get up there, it's about 20 minutes, and coming back down, done my arm and fell over. But it's all good, once you're up there, you're sorted. And for Na Muang 1, yeah, it's also good. You can swim there, the pressure of the waterfall's sick. There's just too many peoples there, so if you're like me and you want some peace and quiet, go Na Muang 2. You're gonna have to do the trek, but once you get to the top, peoples, you will not regret it. So make sure if you come to Samui, go hit up the waterfalls, it's only right. Alright, peoples, if you like the video, you know what to do. Leave a comment as well, share it out, and if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna leave the video there, stop waffling, stay safe my peoples, have a good one, peace.